Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Mi True Wireless 2S with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top, and if you haven't it, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Now go to the settings. After that, open the charging case and the headphones should enter to prank mode automatically, but we can also add it manually, so just press and hold and this connection button until this LED light starts to flashing white. Here we go, it starts to flashing, and now we can see it at the device list. Just click connect. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!